welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally back in LA and I haven't been back here since mid-December, and that means this house has not been cleaned since then. So today we're doing a full clean with me video. I have so much to do. Hopefully we can at least finish the first floor today, like the whole main floor, because that's what really matters. But there's a lot to clean. We need to do some deep cleaning today. I have my whole basket here ready to go. Everything that I'm gonna need to clean the entire house is in this basket so that I don't have to like go looking in different cupboards and like trying to find all my supplies. They're all in this basket. I would recommend not using a giant circle basket like this. It's not the easiest to carry, but it does the job for me. So if you can find more of like a caddy one with a handle, maybe that would make your life a little easier. But I literally have every single thing in here. I have all of my little Swiffer pads. I have, you know, the Swiffer duster things. I have all the cleaning supplies, toilet scrubbers, paper towels, sponges, magic erasers, a whole bunch of gloves. So we're all ready to go. This house is like pretty gross, so this is gonna take a while. So we're gonna be probably cleaning till it gets dark. So let's go ahead and get started. So I have all my cleaning supplies ready to go, all of my vacuums, mops, and all that set up. So I'm gonna be starting in this front room right here. This is kind of like our entry area. It gets dirty on the floor pretty quickly, and I just have to clean up some stuff over here and just tidy up in here. But the first thing I'm gonna be doing is putting some essential oils in the diffusers. This is lemongrass. That makes it smell like lemon and fresh and clean right away in here. So I like doing that first to get the whole cleaning motivation going. First thing I need to do in this space is declutter it. So I always have all this cardboard and garbage sitting at the front door. I have all these backpacks and speakers, just random things that get collected along the front door. So I'm just getting rid of that, moving all these shoes because I don't know how they ended up over here. This is not the place for them. One of my favorite things to use cleaning is a Swiffer vacuum. It collects so much cat hair. It's perfect, it's light, there's no cord. I just put my little Swiffer pad underneath it and it just vacuums up everything. So this is always the first thing that I use to clean the space, gets all of the small things off the floor before I can start mopping. So this is a really easy thing for me to do. It's probably my favorite thing to do because it just takes no energy out of me to use this Swiffer vacuum. Seriously, look how much hair and dust this collected already. And of course, this amazing Bicel pet vacuum. You need a pet vacuum if you have a pet because I have so much cat hair and cat litter around the house, and this thing actually works and doesn't break down on me, especially because it has this silicone brush, so nothing really gets tangled in it. I've been through so many vacuums and this one has lasted so long for me and it works amazing. And the last thing I use on the floor is my Swiffer Wet Jet. I love it. It's so convenient and light. I love that the pad and the cleaner are just attached all in one. So it just makes my cleaning experience just super convenient and quick. And for any kind of surface cleaner, I love to use this Meyer's multi-surface cleaner. This one's in the scent Honeysuckle, and I pretty much use this on everything because it's a natural cleaner. It has aromatherapy oils in it, and it just always smells so fresh. So every time I clean surfaces with it, it makes the whole house smell amazing. And for dusting, I like to use the Swiffer duster because it has a long extending arm that I can just reach into different areas. I don't have to bend down to clean the baseboards and the tall corners. I use this to kind of get everywhere around the house to dust. Now onto the dining room. I love this dining room, but I do not like that it collects everything. Like the cat food's here for some reason. We got some things lying around. We got a cat here, cat hair. Like this is just out of control and messy at this point. So we need to clean this thing up, take everything off of the table, declutter the space, take off the runner because it is pretty gross too, and start cleaning away the surfaces and all the floors. As you can see, my cat keeps popping around. He really likes being in this room, so it definitely collects a lot of cat hair, especially under the table. So I always have to make sure I'm vacuuming under there, wiping off the surfaces because they're always on the table too. I know, kind of gross, but we have to make sure it's clean so that no one notices. This vacuum also has a detachable feature that you can use this little handheld vacuum, so that's made my life a lot easier. And finally, finishing this off by setting the table back up. I'm not putting the runner back on because that's going back in the washing machine. I hope this video is giving you that cleaning motivation that you guys need, because these cleaning videos really help me get my house clean. Now we are moving on to my kitchen, and this is the room that I always like to tidy up daily. So yeah, see how we got a lot of dirt and grime on here? This is from not being here for months. So it's kind of looking disastrous, pretty embarrassing and dirty, like ew, that's this morning's breakfast. Anyways, we have a lot of cleaning to do in here. I use a lot of different cleaning supplies for the kitchen because there's so many different surfaces, but let's go ahead and get started. So for the kitchen, I love to use the Meyer's multi-surface cleaner as well. I pretty much use this everywhere, but I think it works really well on my countertops, and it just makes the room smell amazing. Now onto the sink, I'm going to be using this Magic Eraser Plus Dawn. It's kind of like their kitchen version, and I love using this on my sink and any kind of like tougher surface that there's built up stuff. This Magic Eraser gets everything off, so it's just amazing. It's a sponge plus cleaner built in one, so it just makes my life so much easier cleaning with one thing. To clean all my stainless steel in the kitchen, I use this Hope's Perfect Stainless. It gets rid of all of the fingerprints and all of the streaks and built up grime that's on my oven and my stove and the fridge, pretty much anything that's stainless steel. Every time I wipe it down with this stuff, it makes it look so shiny and like pretty much brand new again. So cleaning your appliances is a must when you're cleaning your kitchen. It makes such a big overall impact on the space when it's complete. The next room to tackle in this house is this family room, and it's always collecting items in this room: laptops, headphones, cat toys, shoes, literally everything. So this always needs tidying up pretty much daily, but we're gonna do a whole clean on this room, all the surfaces, mirrors, carpets, and floors. So for cleaning this big shag rug, I'm going to be using a method that Kristen McGowan has shown, and it is amazing. It's using baking soda and essential oils, mixing it all together and sprinkling it around on your carpet, waiting for like 15 minutes and then vacuuming it back up. So it makes the carpet smell amazing. It actually makes the whole room smell good, and it totally refreshes my carpet, and I love using this method. So I'm just going to clean up everything around the room while that's sitting in the rug. I vacuum daily around the house, I don't usually push my sofa out of the way and clean under it. It's kind of like on days like this when I do a deep clean and I really vacuum under the couch. But I swear every time I do this, I find so many things. I find coins, pens, full chips, popcorn. It's pretty disgusting. So this is definitely something you have to make sure you do. Move your furniture out of the way and clean underneath it. Alright guys, that's this main floor completely clean. It smells so good in here. It smells like lemongrass and eucalyptus and sweet orange, all of the amazing essential oils that I love to diffuse into the air and use for cleaning. A lot of my cleaning supplies are actually like aromatherapy cleaning supplies as well, but I have to cut this short. I never got to the living room beside me, but I guess I'll finish that off tomorrow. It's actually Valentine's Day right now. I forgot to mention that. But I spent the morning of Valentine's Day with Christian, and then now we're going on a little date. The cleaning took a little longer than I thought, especially because it was like a deep clean, really cleaning down all surfaces, getting rid of all the dust, the floors, countertops, mirrors, like literally everything is now clean. So that's really good. But now that it's dark outside, I have to go get ready for Valentine's Day date night. So I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys got some cleaning motivation from it. I love watching cleaning videos because it's what really gets me going. I guess you guys got like a little house tour along with it too. So let me know if you guys want to see more cleaning videos because we have a whole top floor and a bottom floor to do. So I have a lot more to do here. And if you enjoyed it, please give this video a big thumbs up and hit that like button for me. And if you guys haven't already, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel and click the red subscribe button down below. And make sure my notifications are turned on so you guys never miss a video. Love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!